Quick video on how to clean out R107 Euro headlights, and this applies to a lot of other Mercedes, including R129 glass headlamps with HIDs and non-HIDs, W140s also. Basically, you got to pop these clips out here, and they're going to go shoot across the room. There's one out, and I'm going to the next one. That one's already out. And we pry these apart. They're sealed here, and I'll show that process in a video included with this. These are the lower clips. You don't need to mess with these. You basically pry it out from the top like this. And then it comes out like that. And how nasty that is. We'll clean this up. This one will clean up. The other one was the same way. We're gonna use some Windex on it, some glass cleaner on this, and soak it. You can buy new ones of these. Good housings are hard to find.
What car are they on?
This is for Mercedes 107 platform.
I thought that car was sold already.
Yeah, well, that's a different one.
It's a different one?
No, it's the same car, but this is for the headlights from it, the original one. This is a European headlight. Carefully do this because that mirror reflection in the back cannot be replaced. Some of this will have some spots in them depending on your condition. If there's more than gone, then you probably have to have new insets for the housing or a whole new housing. These are good enough. They will look pretty good. In fact, these housings would really look good with new glass on them, but I'm going to keep the glass on these for right now. These are on a 85 500 SL Euro car, so I'm gonna try and do it right. And it's cleaned up as good as it can. Use the lower clips as an angle, put them in there, and then push back. Install your top clips. And a pair of not restored but just cleaned up headlamps.